A very happy morning, children. Today I am going to explain you a poem. The title of the poem is The Veggie Lion. From the title itself, we understood that it is a vegetarian lion. This poem is about a vegetarian lion. It is written by Spike Milligan. The lion is a king of the jungle. Do you know? The lion is a king of the jungle. It is a carnivorous animal. What do you mean by carnivorous? Animals which eat flesh are called carnivorous animals. Next, we move on to the poem. Children, be ready with your books. I am going to read the first stanza of this poem. I am a vegetarian lion. I have given up all meat. I have given up all roaring. All I do is go tweet tweet. The poem is about a lion who has stopped eating meat and has become a vegetarian animal. See the picture. Here the lion is eating carrot, children. The lion does not roar anymore. Usually lions roar, but here this lion has stopped roaring. What is the lion doing now? It tweets or chips like a bird. Tweet tweet means sound made by birds. The second stanza of this poem. I never ever sink my claws into some animal's skin. It only lets the blood run out and lets the gems rush in. In this stanza, the poet has created an innocent image of the cruel animal. He says that the lion doesn't pierce into any animal's skin anymore. Sink means put inside. Claws means the nails. Here you can see the picture of the claws. Children, do you know why the lion doesn't pierce into any animal's skin anymore? This is because the lion thinks that it causes excessive bleeding and develops gems. It causes excessive bleeding and develops gems. Shall we move on to the third stanza? I used to be ferocious. I even tried to kill, but the sight of all the blood made me feel quite ill. Previously, the lion used to be very ferocious. Ferocious means very strong and violent. Now he has become a vegetarian lion. See the ferocious lion. Children, do you know why the lion has stopped killing the animals? Because the sight of the blood makes him feel sick. I am going to read the fourth stanza. I once attacked an elephant. I sprang straight at his head. I woke up 3 days later in a jungle hospital bed. Children, do you know why this lion has become a vegetarian? It's all happened because of one incident. Once the lion tried to attack an elephant at his head, and the elephant attacked him back. And because of that, he was admitted in the jungle hospital bed, and he woke up after 3 days. Because of this incident only, he decided that he will become a vegetarian. Jungle means forest. Now I am going to read the last stanza of this poem. Now I just eat carrots. They are easy to kill. 'cause when I pounce upon them, they all remain quite still.' The lion is saying that now he likes to eat carrots only. They are easier to kill. When the lion pounces upon the carrots, they remain still. That means they do not move anywhere. Understood? The summary of the poem. This poem is about a vegetarian lion. The lion had stopped eating meat and roaring. It chips like a bird. It never sink its claws into an animal's skin because it lets the blood run out and let the gems rush in. Previously, he was very ferocious. Now he doesn't like to kill the animals because the sight of the blood made him sick. Once he tried to attack an elephant at its head and the elephant attacked him back. Because of that, he was admitted in the jungle hospital bed. After 3 days only, he woke up. Now he likes to eat carrot because they are easy to kill. They do not move anywhere. Children, go through the poem 2 or 3 times and memorize the first 2 stanzas of this poem. Thank you.